Depression is a war. Win it or lose it. When you put your 100% for anything and everything happens wrong with you, many times you fall down, and this failure makes you sad all the times. You cry every day in sleepless dark night. You try to talk with anyone, it turns into argument. You feel no one could understand you. You yourself assume that nobody cares for you, no one is yours. And there you already started overthinking. You have no motivation for anything. All negative thought appears and it takes you more down. You feel sad. You're angry. You cry all the time blaming your life and yourself. Why? Why this is happening with me? You give yourself all the pain thinking you deserve it. And slowly you start hating yourself and your life. And you're not sure why you're doing that, but you think that's just how you are. And now you feel not to talk with anyone, stay alone, and still can't find out why it's happening, why I'm feeling a pressure on my heart. So, dear, it's depression. It's like drowning but not being able to die. Depression is a living body that fights to survive with mind that tries to die. Silly little girl, don't fool yourself. You keep a lot to yourself thinking it's difficult to find people who understand you. But you are the only one who invited depression in your life, and you are the only one who can throw depression out of your life. Many times this stage comes in your life thinking all bad is happening with me, don't go in depression. What you'll get before being depressed, ask yourself a question. What are you depressed for? Even you are doing the same thing. You are depressed because all bad is happening in your life. You should always be strong. Never let negativity control your positivity. Whatever happens in your life, let it happen. Just think God thinks you are more strong than others, so all of this is happening with you. Never lose hope. Live each day of your life to fullest. If you're hurt by anything, find happiness in other 100 things. It's on you what to hold, happiness or sadness. Don't give up your life easily. Depression don't enter in your life until you open a door for it. Depression is an expression of contribution that many people have taken permission to feel trouble by themselves. It's just like choosing how to spoil your own life and your first priority to get taste of it. Depression is like a war. Win it or come out of it, fight with it or lose it. Be in depression and spoil your own life. The decision is up to you. Thank you.